In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Xero bank statement in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner managing your own books or a finance professional handling client accounts, getting accurate financial data is essential. Sometimes you need to export bank statements for auditing, budgeting, or simply keeping track of your financial health. In this video, I'll guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth and successful export of your bank statement from Xero. To begin, make sure you're logged into Xero accounting software. Head over to the Xero login page, and once you're there, simply click on the Login button. Now you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Xero account. After entering your login details, press the Login button again to gain access to your account dashboard. If it's your first time here, don't be alarmed by the array of options. We'll guide you through every step. Once you're on your Xero dashboard, locate and click on the Accounting menu. This is usually a primary tab visible on the dashboard, designed to help you navigate through important financial options. From the Accounting menu, you'll want to click on Bank Accounts. This will take you to a section where all your linked bank accounts are listed. If you manage multiple accounts, ensure you select the account you wish to export the statement for. Now find the Manage Account button, typically located alongside the Account options. Clicking on this will present you with several options related to the account's management. From this list, you should choose Import a Statement. You might wonder why we're selecting Import when we need to export. Bear with me, this is the pathway in Xero to get to the download template. Here's where it all comes together. Look for an option that says Download Xero CSV Template. This is a crucial step. By downloading this template, you're essentially acquiring a format that Xero considers optimal for bank statement data. It's also beneficial because it ensures compatibility and helps smooth out any formatting issues that could arise from manual exports. Make sure you save this file in an easily accessible location on your computer, as you might need to utilize it again for future statements. That wraps up our guide on exporting Xero bank statements swiftly and effortlessly. With these steps, you can ensure your finances are well documented and that you have ready access to necessary financial data whenever required. Remember, staying organized and having systematic records is key to better financial management and compliance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.